Assalamualaikum. My name is Adri bin Adwal.
My name is Afandi bin Safi.
My name is Nur Asilah binti Zakaria.
My name is Maziatul Asma binti Muhammad Razali and we are from Group 2.
On 20 November 2014, we, third year JCAS, are going to Indah Water Consortium Water Waste Treatment Plant in Putrajaya. So, we are preparing the report.
The municipal wastewater plant in Putrajaya, the new federal administrative center in Malaysia. The plant has been built on a footprint size of only 100 meter, multiplied with 94 meter, having a population equivalent to 300,000 and distributed 67,500 meter cube per day, and the peak flow is 156,000 meter cube per day. The sanitary and stormwater sewers are separated and it is not combined.
The high rainfall event do not prevent a problem. This is because the water will overflow.
The average BOD level in wastewater is 250 mg per liter. Average phosphorus level is 210 mg per liter, and average nitrogen concentration is about 13 to 18 mg nitrogen per liter.
Untreated water come from premise and residential area. There are 100,000 population of people that served by these facilities. IWK Putrajaya serve domestic waste only from the sink and toilet.
Major contaminants in water source are garbage, food scrap, oils and fats, and many more. So to remove them, there is a screening process where the plant and the most of the contaminants are removed there. diagram depicts the flow of sewage and wastewater from your produced toilets, bathroom and kitchen to the public sewage treatment plant every day. The average sludge age of the treatment plant is only for a few hours.
IWK Putrajaya does not provide tertiary treatment yet. Tertiary treatment is the process to provide a final treatment stage to improve the effluent quality before it is discharged to the receiving environment. In general, the common sewage treatment plant will consume about 100 kilowatt per year. The high water content of material going into the bed press then produce a non-liquid material called as cake. The removed water flow back into the aeration tank. About 15 kilowatt per year is required to run the bed press.
The treated water will flow to the river. In the water consortium Putrajaya, the treated water will flow to Sungai Air Hitam and Sungai Congkak.
Okay, the advantages of treatment system. For the first one is it is a process of biological nitrification without adding chemicals. And second, the plants are easy to operate as the management of operation is for a maximum 2 or 3 hours per day. And third, it has relatively low sludge yield. Fourth, it is also easily maintained mechanical work. For the disadvantages of treatment system, for the first one is it is longer aeration period, so more energy is required. Second, the temperature change affect the tank greatly. And the third disadvantage is extended aeration, plants do not achieve denitrification or phosphorus removal without additional unit process. IWK Wastewater Treatment, the National Sewerage Company, strive to provide efficient and environmentally caring sewerage service. IWK responsible for planning and rationalizing the public sewerage facilities to reduce the number of treatment plants using the multi-point regionalization.
The first problem is the sludge bulking. This is because the failure of sludge solid to settle in the final clarifier. Therefore, we need to plot some graph. First, FM and SVI against time. Second, dissolved oxygen and SVI against time. And third, nutrient supply and SVI against time.
The second problem is the pre-flop or what we call deflocculation. The bacterial flocks have disintegrated into tiny pinch-sized particles due to extreme underloading and the presence of toxic substances. To solve this problem, we need to examine the operating record again over an extended time period. Besides that, we also need to check available record for the presence of toxic substances in the raw wastewater.
The third problem is forming biological. Biological form is due to operating conditions in the wastewater treatment plant. It accumulates on the surface of the aeration basin and many carry over into the final clarifier and effluent discharge. And then for the problem solving, for the first one, we reduce the F over M, for example, by increasing the MLSS. And then we use the same strategy as for sludge bulking. Okay, third one is install a dedicated N-oxide tank for For the problem solving, for the first one is reduce the F over M, for example, by increasing the MLSS. Second, use the same strategy as for sludge bulking. For the third one is install a dedicated N-oxide tank for denitrification. This is a specialized item and expert assistance should be obtained for its design.
We propose to develop tertiary treatment plant and then enhance denitrification filter process to reduce effluent.
Camera ready. Lighting ready. Okay, let's go.